Complete them here at the 2,000 metres for race number 6 on the program. And we are lined and ready. Set to run. Racing. Go Soldier, go slow away. Khan's going back to his usual rear position. La Resh is forced to head back from the wide gate. Mr. Raj also in that back clump. Book Review, he'll lead them past the post, as he has done on many occasions. Leading the way by a length and a half. Naxos finds himself in behind in second, but obliged to race off the fence here. With coming up on the outside, Big Team. He's going to press the issue and keep the pace genuine as they work off onto the back section. Carfu was next. Mr. Raj fifth, and on the inside from Simjangwi Gadong. Now, Kaburkin was just checked for a run there as roll through the head up in the air. Hero Mo goes past him on the outside, but is wide without a back. Next was Go Soldier Go, and Celtic Prince heads back to the end of the main clump. And La Resh is 6 to 7 lengths detached and cannot go with the gallop. At the 1,100 metres, Book Review keeps them rolling, but not as fast as he has in previous starts. He's getting a pretty conservative run up in front. Naxos was next. Hero Mo obliged to race wide, but continues to improve alongside Big Team now. Mr. Raj was next. From Carfu, Kaburkin jumps on his Russian counterpart's back. Celtic Prince on the inside sits about 8th. From Go Soldier Go, Simjangwi Gadong second to last, and La Resh still the best part of 9 or 10 lengths off the rest of this pack as the race hots up with 600 metres to go. Book Review asked to extend. Second, Naxos pressed along. Hero Mo continues his run. Kaburkin travelling in behind on the outside part of the course. Then came Big Team. Celtic Prince the inside. From
Alga Kabirkhan! Alga Kabirkhan! Alga Kabirkhan! Alga! Maşallah! La ilahe illallah Muhammed Resulullah! Kırgızistan alga! Maşallah! Maşallah! La ilahe illallah Muhammed Resulullah! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Maşallah! Kabirkhan bir oldu! Kazakistan! Hiromo 2 oldu inşallah. Ay maşallah. La ilahe illallah Muhammed Resulullah. Молодцы. Ay Kuan жатın. Kuan yerimiz Kazakistan. Maşallah. Dara geldi. İnşallah.